Most people who start selling crochet items online waste months making things nobody wants to buy. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which small crochet items are actually selling in 2026. Not the ones from some outdated blog post, but the ones people are actively searching for and spending money on right now. So let's get into it. I want to start by being real with you for a second. If you have ever gone on Etsy or a craft fair, put your heart into something, priced it fairly, and then watched it sit there with zero sales, that feeling is awful. And it is not because your work is bad. It is because not every crochet item sells equally. Some things move fast, some things just collect dust. And the difference between the two is not about skill. It's about knowing what people actually want to pay for. And that is exactly what we're talking about today. Small items, easy to make, actually profitable in 2026. Let's talk about why small items are the smart move first, because some people think bigger means more money, and that is just not how it works when you are selling handmade. When you make a big item, like a blanket or a sweater, you are spending hours and hours of your time. Then you have to price it fairly, which means the number you put on it looks scary to a lot of buyers. People see a $60 or $70 crocheted blanket and they hesitate, even if it is completely worth it. But a small item, a keychain, a little bag, a coaster, those are impulse buys. Someone sees it, thinks it's cute, and just grabs it without overthinking the price. Small items also mean you can make a lot of them quickly. You can batch produce them. You can list 10 or 15 of the same item and keep restocking. That's how you build real income from crochet. Volume plus value, not just one big sale every now and then. Okay, so let's get into the actual items. The first one is crochet keychains. And before you say, but those are everywhere. Yes, they are, but they're everywhere because they sell. The key is making ones that feel current and fresh. In 2026, the styles that are doing really well are the chunky fruit shapes, strawberries, cherries, little lemons, and also mushrooms, which have honestly not slowed down at all. People love them. They're small, they're quick to make, and they're the kind of things someone buys for themselves and also as a gift. You can sell them for anywhere between $6 and $15 depending on how detailed they are, and you can make several in one sitting. That math works out really nicely. The second item is little pouches and mini bags. We're talking about things like lip balm holders, AirPod cases, small zippered pouches for coins or earbuds, and those tiny drawstring bags. These have been climbing in popularity because they're actually useful. People don't just buy them because they look cute, they use them every day. And when something gets used every day, it gets seen by other people, which is free advertising for you. The boho and Y2K aesthetic is still huge, so anything with texture, fringe, or retro feel is gonna catch people's eyes. Pricing on these usually falls between $10 and $25, and they're not complicated patterns at all. Third, and this one surprised me a little, frog and animal plushies. Specifically small ones, not the giant stuffed animals, the tiny palm-sized ones that people put on their desks or bags or shelves. There's a whole market for what people call desk friends, small crochet creatures that just sit on your workspace and make you smile. Frogs are still the #1 seller in this category, but little cats, bears, ducks, and axolotls are right behind them. These sell incredibly well to teenagers and young adults, and they make perfect birthday gifts. You can price them anywhere from $12 to $30, and because they're small, they don't take forever to finish. The fourth item is bucket hats and mini accessories. Now, hats in general can take a while, but a small crochet bucket hat is not the massive project you might think, and the demand for them is really strong, especially in spring and summer. If you add in accessories like crochet hair clips, headbands, or scrunchies, you have a whole set of things that go together and can be marketed as a collection. This is smart because when someone buys one item and loves it, they come back for the rest of the set. Hair accessories in particular are low on materials, quick to make, and people buy them in multiples. A 3-pack of scrunchies or clips can sell for $10 to $20 and take you less than an hour to make. Fifth on the list, and this one is seriously underrated, crochet coasters and small home pieces. I know what you're thinking. Coasters? Really? But hear me out. The cozy home aesthetic has completely taken over platforms like TikTok and Pinterest. People are obsessed with making their spaces feel warm and handmade. A set of 4 crochet coasters in neutral tones, beige, cream, terracotta, is exactly the kind of thing that gets shared in home decor videos. They're fast to make, cheap on yarn, and a set of 4 can sell for $12 to $20 easily. If you can also make things like small plant pot covers or mini wall hangings to go with them, you can sell them as a bundle and increase your average order value.